So, I'm having a little bit of a predicament with something that I figured out a little while ago. I just finished setting up my SM, and so I was listening to some music through my headphones. Really good headphones, Bose Quiet Comfort 35s, really good sound canceling headphones. And so I picked up my SM, and I set mine down, my SM, and I also had my Valk, I think it was actually my GTS2 here. So I accidentally picked up my GTS2, and I swear to God, I thought I had a GTS2 in my hands because I couldn't hear the sound. I took off my headphones without looking at the cube, and I said to myself, this sounds different than a GTS2. And I looked at it, and it was a GTS2. I mean, it sounds different than SM, and I looked at it, and it says it was a GTS2. So today I'm going to be doing kind of an experiment. I'm going to get all of my 3x3s, kind of like what DG Cubes did. I'm going to put them down, blindfold myself, first time without the headphones to see if I can guess the cube, and the second time with the headphones to see if I do any different. So, let's get to it. So, here are my headphones, and here is the blindfold. And if there's SpongeBob playing in the background, sorry about that. My sister's watching some SpongeBob. So, these are all my 3x3s that I currently have. I have 6 times 3, 18 3x3s right now. And so, I'm going to see if I can guess each one without my headphones and just the blindfold. And then we'll do it with the headphones. So, let's get to it. Let me just put the blindfold on. And I'm going to mix these up. You guys know I haven't memorized it, plus I'm not really good at memorizing algs anyways, as most of you know that watch me. So, let's see if I can put this on. I'm going to do a really quick voiceover while I'm trying to figure out some things. So, sorry about the really crappy quality audio. So, pretty much what this whole experiment is about is to figure out, does sound really affect, the feel of cubing? Like, if Felix Zemdegs, if there was a cube that he felt like it wasn't that good, that because the sound manipulates your mind to where if it's a really scratchy, horrible sound, it's not gonna prefix your brain to say, this does not sound good, you need to put this down, it's not a good cube. So, for example, but whenever you have something like a Valks or SMs, they have really good quiet sound, and it makes you want to use them more. So my experiment is does the sound of the cube really affect the feel of the cube? And I'm really hoping that this does turn out successful. Even if it's just by a little bit, maybe I can start something impressive. So I don't know. So let's cut back to the Idjit trying to figure out his mother's blindfold, and let's go. Oh shoot, okay, I can kind of see through the bottom, but crap, this is bad. Okay, I just want to make sure I can't see through the bottom, because I want to actually do this correctly. So, we're going to mix these up. Okay, so that's my computing. Alright, I'm not going to look at these, just to make sure that I don't mix my square one in with it. Yeah, I almost did. Okay. Make sure it's recording. Okay. Okay. Back to mixing these up. And also, by the way, whenever I'm doing my headphones on, I'm probably going to play some loud music because it doesn't block out absolutely everything. So probably play some like Led Zeppelin. Oh shit, it looked again. I need to stop looking. This is a really bad blindfold. My mom needs to get better blindfolds. Okay. Let me just take some from over here. Okay. I really just want to do this properly, so I'm going to take all the 3x3s and put them right in my arms, make sure I don't have anything else. Okay. So, shoot, I don't do this. So I'm going to put my 3x3s up here. So I'm just going to move these up to here. Alright, it's so weird being blindfolded. Alright, here we go. So, ShengShou version 1. Definitely. I already just tell it's ShengShou version 1. So, ShengShou version 1. Should I write this down? Or can I do this in the video? Oh, I'll rewatch the footage. Okay. It's not magnetic. Try not to look. GaN-Air. Just regular GaN-Air. What is that? Little magic. Ooh. Let me think. GTS2M. It's a stickerless. I'm trying to think of the stickerless cubes I have. Valcam. GTS2M Cubicle Edition, I think. I want to make sure I'm not waiting. I'm still blindfolded. I just want to make sure I'm going to take off my trash can. And make sure everything's fitting. Don't want to look. Alright. I might just put them on the ground. I don't know. Okay, what's next? This. Tanglong. Oh. What is this? I think this is Guanlong Plus. No? This isn't Guanlong Plus. Is it Guanlong Plus? Wait, is this the Guanlong? Yeah, it's the, oh yeah, then this is, regular Guanlong. This is Guanlong Plus, I think. Yeah, judging by how loose it is. Look how loose that is. It doesn't feel like it's gonna pop right there. Because I didn't tension it properly, so I just left it loose and I was just too lazy to tension it. I think this is my main. Is this my main? No, this is stickerless. This is GTS2M. GaN-Air. Rubik's brand. Why is this in here? Where's my good Rubik's brand? This is my bad Rubik. It's Rubik's. Oh. What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, GTS1. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, UHF. Regular UHF, not plus, just UHF. Valk. Just regular Valk. SM. This is my main. This is the Valk M. Okay, I don't think there's any more. Is there any more? Okay, I don't think there's any more, so I'm gonna take out the blindfold. Oh, there's one more. Seems like a normal GTS 2. Yeah, this is Valk. This is Valk. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So, hopefully I did good. I think I got all of these right. So, yeah, not gonna rewatch the footage right now. I'm gonna, let's see. I'm gonna put on the headphones, do another one, and then compare and contrast. Yeah, so, I'll be right back with the headphones and my phone. I'm gonna play some loud, dope music. Yeah. Alrighty, so these guys are yet again mixed all the way up. I'm going to put my blindfold on, and I have my headphones right here. Let me get them. Bose Quiet Comfort 35s, hashtag not sponsored. And we're going to see if we can do it by just feel. No sound, just feel. So let's get to it. I'm going to put my blindfold on, and we're going to try to do this. Let's go. Okay, so I'm about to turn on the music. So let me just. Okay, it's on right now, and I can't hear literally anything. I can't even hear my own voice. So I'm playing really loud music. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna mix up the cubes. I'm sorry, my voice sounds weird because I have headphones on. I literally can't hear myself. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think it's mixed up enough. By the way, I'm playing Van Halen if you want to know. But, so yeah, here we go. So I'm going to pick up a cube. So yeah, this is immediately a lot harder. Okay, so it's not magnetic. And I can't hear the sound at all. So, I think this is Gohuan Yushao V1. Okay, what is this? So yeah, pretty much the sound is like affecting my I'm pretty sure this is still a Guanlong. This is so weird with no sound. What is this? What is this? I think this might be Guanlong Plus. Guanlong Plus. Let me see. This is magnetic. Oh, this is tricky. SM. Wait, my music stopped, so I'm gonna have to wait to turn it. Okay. Air, Ganair. Oh, I think this is GTS. But is it Cubicle Edition or regular? I think this is Cubicle Edition. Cubicle Edition GTS 2M. Oh shoot, it popped. Oopsies. Okay, I think this is GTS 1. Okay, what is this? Valk, I think. Valk. Yeah, Valk. Yeah, I think it's GTS 2M. Little magic just because of the texture of the plastic. Ganair, I think. Ganair, yeah. So, this is actually really weird. Whenever I don't have headphones on, this Rubik's brand, because I know it's Rubik's brand, actually feels decent. That's weird. What is this? What is this? Oh, Tanglong. What is this? This is bad. What is this? This is really bad. This is Stepperless. What is this? This is really bad. Oh, this is Shang Xiao. What's this? GTS 2M, I think. GTS 2M. Whoa, okay. That means I got something wrong. I think this is GTS 2M, so that means I got something wrong. Valk. Oh yeah, I think I might have gotten the 2 Valk M's. Yeah, I missed something. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay. That was really weird. Oh, that was weird. Okay, so many droplets. Hopefully nothing dropped off the edge. Okay, everything's safe except for my stream channel. Okay. God damn it. Okay. We're gonna put that back. Okay, so